Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to get a TRC20 address in Trust Wallet. First, open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Once the app is open, you'll see the main wallet interface. Look for and tap the Receive button. This action will take you to a screen where you can search for different cryptocurrencies. In the search bar, type TRX or Tron to find the correct network. After searching, select the Tron TRX cryptocurrency from the results. It's crucial to confirm that the network displayed for your address is indeed TRC20 to ensure compatibility. Once you've verified this, you'll see your unique TRC20 address. Simply tap the Copy button to save this address to your clipboard. This makes it easy to paste it wherever you need to receive funds. Now that you have your TRC20 address copied, you can paste it into the sending platform or exchange where you wish to receive funds. Before you confirm any transaction, always double-check the address carefully. A small error could result in lost funds. Also, ensure that the platform you are sending from explicitly supports the TRC20 network for transfers to avoid any issues. Remember, always verify the network type before sending or receiving any cryptocurrency to prevent potential loss of funds. Your recovery phrase is vital. Keep it secure and never share it with anyone. For more helpful tips and to stay hydrated on the go, check out the Owala water bottle link and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide was helpful for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.